Seattle, make some noise!
You've done enough, okay? Go over there to the huddle and chart a play. Probably going to have Jewel coming off a double screen, typical play. You might get to shoot, probably not. Seattle! Get up! Also make some noise! But don't make too much noise because they're in the huddle. They're trying to figure out a play and you're making too much noise. They can't even hear what the hell's going on. All right. So make the type of noise that gets them psyched up to win, but not so much that confuses them. Do that.
What he said.